So you can buy a bunch of homes, and then when you're ready to sell them off, they're worth a lot more at the sale in comparison to what you bought them for than what a multifamily property might be. Now, Ken Valek, the CEO of Tremwell Crow Residential, says this company bought a site to build single-family rentals, and there's a report from Bloomberg that Lenar Corp is going to raise $2 billion to develop thousands of single-family rental homes. Unnamed sources, but even the fact that that's coming up in the conversation means something really important is going on in the commercial real estate industry. Basically, what we're seeing now is that single-family rentals are outperforming multifamily rentals for the first time in maybe a decade. And it's a lot to do with the technology. So the technology for managing these homes, like Billium or Cozy, those are kind of consumer level apps, but they're still really powerful, and it makes managing properties under multiple roofs a lot easier than it has been in the past. And also with the global pandemic pushing forward the move to work from home, people aren't necessarily as concerned about how close their home is to the gym or how close their home is to work, because they can work from home and they've got a Peloton in their home. So what we're seeing now is a shift. I don't know how long it's going to be. Is it going to be a temporary shift, or if this is more permanent? That single family homes are indeed an asset class worth thinking about if you're going to invest in real estate. If you're considering raising $500,000 to $2 billion, what we're seeing now is that it might not be a bad idea to consider buying like a few hundred or a few thousand homes versus multifamily property. There's two ways you can go about it. I believe that the stability of having multiple units is more important than the possible returns and appreciation. So I'm still a huge fan of multifamily, but it's good to know that there are other asset classes out there. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.